the technology itself is world leading, and with our patented design and prototype. But it's more than that. It's the fact that space solar is proving the commercial viability of this technology. It's translating this amazing science into strategy. It's proving that it works. It's proving that there's a market for it and someone wants to buy it. It's developing spin-off other uses for this technology that we're building, commercial uses. It's building the operational scaffolding. So again, for a commercial organization, that operational scaffolding, be it the talent, the international partnerships, the supply chain, and a ready to scale business that will take this to the next level. And I think I see it out there, and it's out there. Earning trust was extremely important in a world that's skeptical about space-based solar power.
You know, the Cassiopeia design, which we have unique access to in space solar, it's such a neat and clever design, which gets away from the need to have any mechanical joints on the structure in space, but that would otherwise be required for steering power as you try and transmit it back down to Earth. And that gives us a huge mass advantage, a weight advantage, which means that we can produce more power per unit mass than any other option out there at the moment. And that's what gives us our unique position in the marketplace. Time limited, but at the moment we have that advantage, and we need to press forward and take advantage of it. Every industry in the world at the moment is going through its own energy challenge, and they're all trying. Any industry that uses a lot of power is trying to work out how it's going to make its transition to sustainable energy in the future. And I think this is what creates a huge opportunity for space solar. If you look at the global push for data centers, irrespective of whether you end up in space, data centers on the ground, they all need power, and increasingly they're looking for green power in order to meet the demand of their customers. And in some places of the world, there just are no options, no solutions for renewable energies. So we have those as almost ready-made customers for space solar. There's some parts in the world where it's very difficult to get power into at the moment. At the poles, for example, the only way of getting power into the Antarctic or the Arctic is to ship it in with you, and that generally means using gas or petrol. So if you're looking for a green energy solution there's nothing for you, and space solar can deliver that. So I think there's lots of really unique markets who have unique challenges with regard to provision of power that the market is not delivering at the moment, that space solar can really respond to. We are all about sustainable power, so sustainability is really at the heart of what we're trying to achieve, both in the business and in the energy industry more widely. So we're always thinking about how we can operate more sustainably and ethically within the business, and that then relates to how we behave in space too. So we're building structures that are they're there for the long duration. We're thinking about how do we maintain them once they're there, so that we're not unnecessarily cluttering up space for the future, and we want to be able to reuse those structures in the future too. So all of those factors are feeding into our thinking about what we do now and into the future too.
As a startup and as a scale-up, the challenge, a really difficult challenge for any scale-up, is in balancing agility for today with foundations for tomorrow, because it doesn't want to be reckless, but equally it doesn't want to over-engineer, and that's what I've seen the team do, is really prioritize building the right foundations, be it a detailed, short-term, flexible, responsive strategy and detailed plan for finance and delivery, but a much more lightweight, longer-term strategy with its mission and values. It's thinking about just enough foundations, just enough governance, just enough HR. Its team, it's already built a fantastic team, and making sure it's very cost effective and efficient, got the right team in place. And then with all of that, it's thinking about agility, modular and reversible platforms so that it's laying the right tracks but still keeping the train light and fast. And that, I think, is a key differentiator for this company versus others that I see out there.